Hola, buenos dias. Hey guys, this video we're going to be looking at -2 commands in Spanish. This is more of a let's practice this concept video than an instructional video. If you haven't learned how to do these yet, I'll put a link to it in the description of the video to a video in which you can learn how to do -2 commands. And then if you want to come back and do this for practice, that would be a good idea. So what I have are four different quizzes that I give my students. It's all in the same concept. They're just different versions of the quiz. And the directions are here to turn the phrases 1 through 10 into -2 commands. So like this one right here, it says to eat the hamburger. You're going to change it so it says don't eat the hamburger. And then the ones that are bold, like number 1 and 10 here, you need to make sure you include a pronoun in your answer. So for number 1, it's going to read don't do it, it being the homework. And then number 10 is going to be don't shower. And you're going to have to change that reflexive pronoun and then put it into the correct location. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so you can see these better. Oh, and the document you see is available to you in the description of the video if you want to print it off so you can handwrite your answers out. That makes it easier for you. Let's see. So, don't do it. We start with the hard one here, right? So, make sure you always have your no. Without a no, it can't be a -2 command. And then the homework will turn into la, and then we no la hagas. And just as a reminder before I continue on, when you're doing your -2 commands, you want to make sure you think about what is the yo form of this verb in the present tense, and then what's its opposite ending. If that doesn't make sense to you, go ahead and watch one of my instructional videos, and it will make more sense later. Number 2, we're going to say don't eat the hamburger. So it's going to be no comas la hamburguesa. Number 3 is going to be don't share your answers. So no compartas tus respuestas. Number 4, don't leave the class. No salgas de la clase. Number 5, don't work more. Oh, I already wrote that one down for you. No trabajes más. Number 6, don't go to my house. No vayas a mi casa. Here is one of those irregular ones. Don't prefer TV. No prefieras la televisión. It's kind of a weird thing to say, but that's what it would be. Don't have the homework. No tengas la tarea. Don't buy the taco. No compres el taco. And then don't shower. I like your stink. No te duches. Let's go to the next one. Don't set the table. No pongas la mesa. Don't come here. No vengas aquí. Don't get up. No te levantes. Don't say hello. No digas hola. Don't sell your video game console. No vendas tu consola de videojuegos. Don't close the window. No cierres la ventana. Don't speak it, because it is Spanish, so it's going to be no lo hables. Don't study more. No estudies más. Don't be better. No seas mejor. And don't eat lunch. No comas almuerzo. All right, here we go. Don't tell the truth. No digas la verdad. Obviously, some of these don't make much sense or things you wouldn't say, but it's just because I want to make sure you get to practice these irregular ones. Don't work less. No trabajes menos. Don't be prettier. No seas más bonito. Don't message now. No mensajes ahora with 2 E's. Don't want the backpack. No quieras la mochila. Don't come to school. No vengas a la escuela. Don't eat it. It being the enchilada will be no la comas. Don't play basketball. No juegues el baloncesto. You gotta remember that jugar is both a boot verb and a gar verb, so I had to put that U in there to keep the g sound. Don't put the keys on the table. No pongas las llaves en la mesa. And don't shut up. No te calles. All right, one more. Some of these you'll probably seen some repeats, but that's okay. We'll do it anyway. No salgas de mi casa. No, oops. Don't donate it. No lo dones. Don't make it, or don't make your lunch. No hagas tu almuerzo. Don't speak Russian. No hables ruso. Don't drink the juice. No bebas el jugo. Don't live far from me. No vivas. Don't go to the gym. No vayas al gimnasio. Don't brush. No te cepilles. 2 minutes, okay in there. Don't think slowly. No pienses lentamente. And don't have my money. No tengas mi dinero. Again, just a quick review with the -2 commands. You want to think what is the yo form, and then I want to add that opposite ending to it. AR verbs go to the kind of like the ER endings, and the ER verbs kind of have the AR endings for the negative two commands. Again, if you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Hasta luego.